So if you're seeing this, you know it was meant for you. Thank you for coming back and watching more videos. I'm trying to get myself out there as much as I can and spread a message. So I'm here today moving into my new Tesla Plaid 3, but that's not the point of this video. I'm here to talk to that special individual who feels like they need some guidance. I want you to know that it doesn't matter what you do today. If you're struggling with purpose and what you're supposed to do in life, what direction you should head in, what career is God calling you to do, I want to tell you that do not overcomplicate it. Do not overcomplicate it. I will say it one more time. Don't overcomplicate it. It's very clear what the Bible tells you as a Christian what you should do. It is to love God with everything you have. Love and serve the people around you. Follow Jesus faithfully and help others know Him. So, how you do it, the career, the platform, or whatever path that you're going to do in order to get there, doesn't really matter. It may look different for each and every person, but what does matter is how you do things and if it glorifies God. So, whatever it is you do not overcomplicate it. Just start something, and that's the whole point of this channel, is to tell someone out there you can do it too, that you can start posting, you can start creating that business, you can start creating ideas. There's so many resources out there nowadays that make it so much easier for you to attain it, and yet we still make excuses for ourselves. I mean, Paul even says in 1 Corinthians chapter 10 verse 31, whatever you do it all for the glory of God. Whatever you do, keyword whatever you do. So that idea that you've been having in your head, that you've been feeling like you're not good enough to do, or maybe you've just been sleeping on, start it today. Start it today and make something come of it. And the most important thing to remember out of all of this is that you do not need talent or perfection to be able to do it. The most important thing to keep in mind also is consistency. That's what separates you from everybody else. I pray that God gives you the wisdom and the clarity that you've been searching for, and whatever endeavor you decide to do, that He blesses it. God bless everybody.